Okay? Next example po. Okay, next example. We have, okay, 5 f of x is equal to 5 minus 2x. So, same process. We will just create, okay, take note, linear ulit po siya. The degree of the function is 1. Okay, i-create lang po tayo ng table of values. Same values for x and 2. Okay, so if x is equal to negative 2, we will substitute negative 2 to the given function. Negative 2 5 minus 2 divided by negative 2. Okay, so 5, simplify po natin. Negative times negative, the answer is, very good, positive 4. So 5 plus 4, we have 9. Okay, if x now is equal to negative 1, negative 1 po siya. Okay, two times negative 1 5, then we have negative 2 times negative 1, the answer is positive 2. Then we have the answer, which is positive 7. Next, okay, if x now is 0, okay, 0, hindi, 5 po siya, 5 minus 2 times 0. So, cancel na po natin yan. So, 5 po ang ating value ng x. And as you can see, linear function po siya. At ang kanyang pattern ay nagbabawas ng 2. Therefore, ito ay we can easily identify this is 3 and also this is 1. Okay, so we need to graph the 5 ordered pairs na nasa table of values dito po. Okay, take note. Ano po yung pinakamalaking value? Ang pinakamalaking value is 9. Ang nandito lang po ay 5. So, we will add pa ng 4. Okay, so 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, pwedeng hanggang anong number. Depende kung ano yung pinakamataas na number sa table of values. Okay, so we will just grab, okay, negative 2 and 9. Then we have 1 and 7. 1 and 7. Then we have 0 and 5. Then we have 1 and 3. Then we have 2 and 1. So, assuming that this is a straight line, okay, ayan. Take note, kapag gumagawa po kayo ng Cartesian coordinate plane, dapat kung ano po yung laki dito, okay, ay ganun din yung laki sa kanyang x-axis. Dapat pare-parehas po itong magkakasing laki. Okay, assuming na natamaan lahat ng points. Okay, next. So, after graphing the given function, we will get its inverse. So, same process po. We will copy the given function. F of x is equal to 5 minus 2x. Okay, so y. Change po natin sa f of x ng y. Minus 2x. Then we will interchange x and y. Okay. 2y. Ang goal po natin, matira lang si y sa right side. So, we will move 5 on the other side. 2 Okay, so as you can see, meron pong katabi si y na negative 2. So, we will divide both side by negative. So, ang magiging itsura po ay negative po yan. So, kapag negative po yan, magiging itsura ng ating function ay inverse function ay x minus 5 over negative 2. Or you can simplify, i-multiply nyo siya, or pwedeng maging, pagpapagitna po natin, pwede namang nakagitna yung negative. Pwede nakagitna. Okay, or pwedeng sa taas. Okay. Next, kukunin po natin yung table of values. And 2. Same pa din po yung mga gagamitin nating value. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, if x now is negative 2, so we will substitute negative 2 to this inverse function. Negative 2, negative 5, okay, over negative 2. Negative 7 over negative 2, or magiging positive po yan, or pwede ding in fraction form, magiging itsura in fraction form, that is 3 and 1/2, or in decimal naman 3.5. 3.5. So, ilalagay na lang po natin dito, 3.5. Okay, next. If x is equal to negative 1, 2, negative 1, negative 1, negative 5 over negative 2. So, we have negative 6 and we have negative 2. So, both numerator and denominator are negative. So, maging positive na po yan. Okay, we have the 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Magkaiba po si 2 divided by 6 kaya 6 divided by 2. Okay, so positive 3. Then, dito po, if x is equal to 0, inverse 0 minus 5 over negative 2. So, magiging sagot po ay automatically negative 5 over negative 2, or parehas na positive, magiging 2.5. Okay? 2.5, we will write 2.5 here. Okay? Then, as you can see, yung ating value ng y ay bumababa po ng ilan? 0.5. So, automatically, hindi na natin kukunin si 1 at 2. Automatically, alam na natin yung value niya. And 1.5. Okay, so let's graph this one. This 5 ordered pairs dito sa previous Cartesian coordinate natin. Okay, so first, we will graph negative 2 and 3.5. Asan si negative 2? Andito po. Then, asan si positive 3.5? Andito. Nasa gitna ng 4 and 3. Next, we have negative 1. Dito po. And 3. Then, 0 and 2.5 between 2 and 3. Then, we have 1 and 2. Yun. Then, we have 2 and 1.5. So, dito po siya. So, we will draw a line. that will hit all points. So, ayan na po ang ating how to graph function on this inverse. So, do not forget to write the original function here. Okay, and also this one para malaman natin kung asan dyan yung inverse at asan dyan yung original function. So, ito ay x minus 5 over negative 2. Ayan po. So, for your activity, kung may katanungan kayo, you can just PM me. At ito po yung activity na prepare ko for this day. Ayan. Graph the following function on its inverse.